You're my new partner. That's right.
I had a friend. I was with him yesterday, but we got separated. You seen him?
You have no friends.
You seen him, Doctor?
Whom?
My partner, Chuck.
You don't have a partner, Marshall. You came here alone.
This is a game. All of this is for you. He's a U.S. Marshal.
You've never worked with him before, have you?
I know people. I trust this man. Who are you? Who are you? Tell me.
Don't you recognize me, Andrew? I've been your primary psychiatrist for the last 2 years. I'm Lester Sheehan.